How to start software development and earn money from home easily. Hey there, future developers. Are you ready to kickstart your software development journey and start earning money, all from the comfort of your home? Whether you're a total beginner or someone looking for a side hustle, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll break it all down step by step so you can go from zero to hero as a developer and turn your skills into real income. Let's dive in. First things first, learning the basics. If you're new to coding, don't worry. It's easier than ever to get started today. Pick a beginner-friendly programming language like Python, JavaScript, or C#. These languages are widely used and perfect for building things like websites, apps, and even games. You don't need a computer science degree to begin. Free platforms like Free Code Camp, Khan Academy, or even YouTube tutorials are fantastic places to start. Spend just 30 minutes a day learning how to write basic code, and in no time, you'll be creating your own small programs. And don't forget to practice. Websites like LeetCode, CodeWars, and HackerRank are great for sharpening your problem-solving skills. Now that you've got the basics, it's time to build. Start small and create simple projects like a to-do list app, a personal portfolio website, or even a fun game. These projects not only help you practice, but also give you something to showcase when you're looking for work. One pro tip? Upload your projects to GitHub. It's like a social media platform for developers. When clients or employers see your code on GitHub, they'll know you're serious about development. If you want to make a great impression, create a personal website. It doesn't need to be fancy, just a simple site to show who you are, what you've built, and how to contact you. Tools like WordPress, Wix, or even coding it yourself can get the job done. The next step is finding your niche. Software development is a huge field, so it's essential to pick an area that excites you and has earning potential. Here are a few hot options. Web development. Learn to build websites using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or frameworks like React or ASP.NET Core. Mobile app development. Create apps for iOS or Android using tools like Flutter, React Native, or Swift. Mobile app development. Create apps for iOS or Android using tools like Flutter, React Native, or Swift. Mobile app development. Create apps for iOS or Android using tools like Flutter, React Native, or Swift. 3. Data analysis or AI. Dive into Python's powerful libraries like Pandas, TensorFlow, and Scikit-learn to work on data science and artificial intelligence. Once you've found your focus, start digging deeper into that area and build projects specifically for it. All right, now let's talk about the exciting part, making money. Here are 4 easy ways to start earning as a developer. Freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer let you find paid gigs for web development, debugging, and more. Start small, build reviews, and gradually increase your rates. 2. Remote jobs. Apply for remote roles on job boards like RemoteOK or We Work Remotely. These platforms connect you to companies looking for developers who can work from anywhere. 3. Selling products. Build and sell software tools, apps, or even plugins for platforms like WordPress. Websites like Envato make it easy to sell digital products. 4. Content creation. Share coding tutorials on YouTube, write blogs on Medium, or create online courses for platforms like Udemy. People love learning from real experiences, and you can make passive income from these sources. Remember, the tech world is always evolving, so staying updated is crucial. Follow popular coding blogs, join developer communities like Stack Overflow or Reddit's r/Learn Programming, and keep learning new technologies. Certifications can also boost your credibility. Platforms like Coursera and LinkedIn Learning offer affordable courses with certificates in web development, cloud computing, or data analysis. Working from home can be challenging without structure. Here's how to stay productive. Set up a dedicated workspace with tools like Trello or Notion to manage tasks. Use efficient coding tools like Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, or IntelliJ IDEA to streamline your workflow. And don't forget to network. Connecting with other developers on LinkedIn can open doors to new opportunities. So there you have it. Starting a software development career from home is not only possible, it's one of the most rewarding things you can do. With dedication, practice, and the right tools, you can build an incredible skill set and start earning from anywhere in the world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what part of software development excites you the most. I can't wait to hear about your journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!